Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn voice into text with CapCut. So if you want to automatically convert voice into text in CapCut, whether you want to add subtitles, captions, or transforming speech into text, this tutorial will show you how you can do it easily. So first, you can just open your CapCut application. Okay, now just open your video, tap on new project. Now just select your videos. Okay, so for example, here I'm going to just choose one of my tutorial videos. You can just tap on add. Okay, here I'm going to just trim the video to make it short. So to simply change or convert your voice into text, you can just use the auto captions features in CapCut for instant subtitles. So what you need to do is just tap on the captions option, and in here the auto caption will automatically on. Now you can choose the sound source, which is the video. Now you can also choose the spoken language. You can change the language if it's not English. You can hear there are lots of languages options that you can select it. And if you want to, you can also use the text template, but if it's not, you can just skip this part. And after that, you can just tap on generate. Now CapCut will generating the captions. And in here, this is, you guys can see now my voice has been converted into text. If you want to, you can add it and customize the text for perfect accuracy. You can also adjust font, colors, and also animations. Here, let's say I'm going to change the I'm going to add some, change the font, I think. Here I'm going to also use the text template. Click on a text template that you want and tap on the check icon. So now this is the final result for the audio that has been converted into text. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.